Okay, thank you so much. Welcome to my channel. Okay, this video is basically about how to use Replit.com. I can show you. Please subscribe to my channel and just hit the notification bell down there, so I can make more videos like this. Okay. Anyway, so I'm not gonna go through the signing up part. I can do that in another video for you. Just need to request that in the comments. Okay, so to use Replit, you go to replit.com, and once you are there, um, you can start creating there, or sign up or sign in, because I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to start creating there. So if I want to create a VBA app, so I'm just going to click on create, and then I'm going to search for Visual Basics. There it is. Okay, and the first app that I'm going to create is to add two numbers. Add two numbers. Okay, so depending on the problem you created, please do not add any spaces. And yeah, so when it comes up like that, this is the module that you'll get, and you will be required to enter a code in there. And I've already created the code, so I'm just going to copy and paste the code, the solution, to add two numbers together. So this video doesn't have to take long. So there it comes in. So your dim there, dim num1, dim num2, dim sum as integer, and then console.writeLine, so that it displays that. So to do that, you just need to run so that it runs in the console, and to see whether the problem has been solved, and it should appear there. So it might take a while, so please be patient. Otherwise, you can just click on the shell and click back on the console until it pops up, because it's still running. So we're just waiting for it to load. Maybe it's because it's doing this for the first time. So it's gonna be much faster. Okay, I don't want to add a new tab. Yeah, there it comes up. Okay, so I'll just close that tab. So there's the sum is 5 and 10 is 15. Okay, now let's say we want to add 10 and 25. Then you run that. Okay, it's just gonna take a while again. Okay, so we just wait and see what it produces. Okay, come on. Console. Okay, there it comes up. So 10 and 25 is 35. Okay, so that's actually working. Okay, so that's how you do it in VBA. Okay, now to do it in Python, you simply click on the icon at the top here and click create, and then you select Python. You can type it in if it's not there, and you can say add two numbers Python. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, I don't think there's a limit to how many apps you can create, and you can also share this with your learners. Okay, now in Python, it's actually much easier. In Python, it's much easier. So you simply just add this code. So num is equal to 5 and num is equal to 10, and then sum is equal to that, and then you print, and that is the code. And then when you run, I think it's even much faster. You see, it's much faster there. And then if you go 10 and let's say 15, let's try something else. 120 plus 15. There you go. 120 plus 15 is 135. Okay. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I'll post some new challenges, and then we'll see if we can solve them, if you can solve them by yourself. we're using. If there's a request for any other video, please to use any other language, please let me know so I can make another video. But first, subscribe to my channel and put it in the comments on my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.